Cristiano today. How are you?
I'm awesome, thank you.
Awesome with a lot of hair, I see.
Yeah, it's a huge difference.
Huge difference. All right, so tell me, how has your year been? What are people saying? How do you feel?
I'm feeling great. Yeah, it's been very good. It's a lot of compliment. People saying, "Oh, you look a different
Can you look to the right and hold it?
to the right."
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. Look to the left and hold it. Great. And look. What a difference. You look so much, and I'm so happy for you, and great results. And it was a pleasure having you, and your wife was here, and we had a great surgery day and beyond, right?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our HUE and HUE Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.